What's good, y'all? It's here. It's your boy Kenny here. About to show you guys an unboxing of a new backdrop I just bought. I'm dancing here because I'm a little excited. Yeah, still excited. Here I was trying to figure out how to intro the video, and I was like, if I come from under the camera or something, but it didn't actually really work out. But anyways, I'm opening this thing up, showing you guys that there's a real backdrop in there. Pulling it out of the box right here. Taking the little plastic wrapper off, presenting it to you guys, then taking that out of the wrapper, kind of like how you, never mind, I'm not gonna say that. It's actually very customary to spin that thing around like that. It's a quick little photographer thing, and real shameless plug real quick, shout out to my trainer, aka me. Y'all see that boy's back? Anyways, that's the backdrop. I'm rolling it down right here and sitting in my chair patiently waiting for one of y'all up to book me.